So there is one radio that goes in the back of the car everywhere I go. I have about three of them right now. I wouldn't mind getting more of them. It is a Baofeng, and it is the GM15. Find out why this is the keep it in the back of the car just in case kind of radio. So, first up, these are not a fancy radio. It's pretty simple. You've got the power button, you've got the usual light there and all of the other fun stuff that the Baofengs add in. You can listen to the weather band. However, it's important to note that you will not get an alert if there's an emergency activation tone. And so it does have that fault failing. It has decent battery life for what it is. I wouldn't sit and listen to FM on it all day if you were going to rely on it for person-to-person comms. I would leave that for a different radio because that will eat battery life up on this pretty quick. However, it scans through the programmed channels. You can program repeaters on here, so it can do the GMRS repeater operation. In our area, we've got a Skywarn that runs off of one of the GMRS repeaters. It has enough channels you can get several areas around you if you're kind of traveling back and forth quite a bit, so it's good for that, although programming really is best done through CHIRP. It's a pain in the butt to do it otherwise. It can do some, but just like any of the Baofengs, CHIRP makes things a lot easier. I think I mentioned that it does USB-C charging, which is great for in the field because I keep car chargers for my phones, and it's the same plug. And so, if it runs down, just recharge it in the car. I keep a few of these, and usually I have them locked on a specific channel so that if I'm out and about, I can say, here, take one, and I'll have one. Or you hand it off to two people, and you've instantly got your, off-grid communications for a small area right there. There's no fiddling. You have it locked to the channel, you press the button, you talk. And if it's not locked to the channel, or if they find a way to unlock it, you can say, oh yeah, I've got all of these programmed the same, turn to channel 11, and that's where we're going to be talking. It's nice and simple. And that's one of the reasons why I like it and why I do keep it with me. Now, there are times that I wish that I hadn't replaced the stock antenna with the Avery, the big long one. But at this point, I don't know what the originals are. To be honest, I think they're probably in a bag with some of my other assorted radio stuff, and so it is what it is. If I had the shorter antenna, I remember this one out of the box worked pretty well. I just, want to squeeze every little bit out of things, so I got the longer antenna. But sometimes that does get in the way when it is the kind of go-to out in the field, hey, take this, because I want to make sure we can talk back and forth in an area that's maybe a cell dead zone. We're up here in the East Tennessee mountains, and a lot of times there are dead zones where your cell phone just doesn't work. And so that's one reason why I keep them in the back of the car almost everywhere we go for probably 2 years now. Now, they are pretty rugged. The GM15, has been, I think we lost one of the little lanyard things at one point because we had somebody that was being a little rough with it. But they have survived for a year out and about. They do pretty well. We've taken them when we went camping. We've taken them when we go up to Roan Mountain, which is usually a pretty poor coverage area up there, and they do really well. Plus, the added bonus, you can listen to the weather band if you need to. My only wish for them is that they would alert on the emergency activation tone. That's the only downside to them. But as a single purpose, static purpose radio, these are a really good choice. If I had the opportunity, I would definitely get another pack of them today just to add to our collection so that, when we've got a lot of people that need a radio, we could just hand them out. It's a nice, easy fix. But anyway, Thanks. If you've got a radio that's your go-to for just out and about, easy to use trail, hand this to somebody else and you can communicate instantly. Let me know down in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe and to share this with your friends. And be sure to check back soon because I do have quite a few other things planned coming up. Thank you for stopping by, and y'all take care.